Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pho Ap Chao. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, wide rice noodles and thinly sliced beef. Next, prepare your rich, savory sauce by combining oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a touch of sugar. Make sure all your vegetables, like gai lan and carrots, are prepped and ready to go. Having everything organized before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get those noodles ready. You'll want to soak about 1 pound of fresh, wide rice noodles in warm water until they're soft and pliable, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. While they're soaking, prepare your delicious sauce. Mix 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Then, whisk in a cornstarch slurry to thicken it slightly. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok over high heat until it's shimmering. Add 8 ounces of your thinly sliced beef and stir-fry it quickly until it's beautifully browned. Next, toss in your prepared vegetables, like 1 cup of gai lan and half a cup of sliced carrots. Continue to stir-fry for about 2 minutes until they are tender crisp, maintaining that perfect texture. It's time to bring everything together. Add your soaked and drained wide rice noodles directly into the wok with the cooked beef and vegetables. Pour your savory sauce mixture over everything. Stir-fry vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all the noodles and ingredients are thoroughly coated in that delicious sauce. Serve your Pho Ap Chao immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a dash of chili sauce for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.